Overall, SignNow reviews and ratings show a very high customer satisfaction level, which proves that SignNow meets the requirements and expectations of most users in terms of functionality, customer support, and pricing, while keeping pace with industry leaders like DocuSign. SignNow reviewers mostly praise its ease of use, setup, and management. They're also pleased with how easy it is to do business with SignNow and how much value it brings. Just listen to what this SignNow customer has to say.
It's really simple to use, right? It's not a technical product. It works on the phone, on a mobile device, which is critical today. It works on the desktop. It's intuitive, great communication, reliable service, good customer support, and a willingness to go beyond the expected.